For today's video, I want to share you guys some contouring tips while sitting down and chat, because I feel like I haven't chat with you guys for a while. I know I'm making tons of kind of branded content, so some people don't care about that, but some people care. I pretty understand that. But yeah, I want to do more branded contents. That's one of my dreams and dream job. I recently got a new contour product from Etude, so I feel like I just want to share how to contour. Contouring is really great to nurture the whole look of your makeup, but some people just don't know how to do that, or they just feel like, oh, contouring makes my face makeup look really artificial, not natural. But that's not really true. Every freaking single day I use contouring, although I just wear a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. It's really a game changer for me. It makes my face look more healthier and glow. I mean, it doesn't have a pearl, but whenever I use a pearl contouring product for summer season, but this is winter, so I just use this type of matte powdery contouring product. I'm just gonna keep talking forever if I don't stop right now. So without much further ado, let's get started. So this is the makeup except contouring, so I'm gonna apply contouring. So this is from Etude House, and the color name is Medium Tight, and the name of this product is Face Color Shading. So I'm gonna show you this, guys, the color. I don't say that the case is dirty. It's made of plastic. It's a beautiful matte medium dark brown color. It comes in 3 colors: light brown, medium brown, and the other one is a little bit grayish brown. Yeah, so you can choose. Yeah, it's really natural. You can wear it daily basis. Why I decided to film this video is that many Koreans and Asians, they don't use contouring. I feel like they just don't know the magic of contouring, but it has some power. It makes my face look more slimmer, defined, and more dynamic, so I really like it. The most important thing when you do contouring, at least for me, is the face line, so I always focus on face line at first. So there's a big mirror behind of this camera, so I'm gonna use that. So that's my plan. Forehead line, cheekbones, jawline. And especially when you do contouring for your cheeks, there are so many ways you can do according to your face line. I have a kind of long face, kind of looks like an oval, so I want to make my face look kind of shorter. So I usually do a little bit diagonal, but not completely, almost like horizontal line. I prefer to do that kind of shape for my cheekbones whenever I do contouring, but it always depends on your face line. So just Google it, try and error, so you can play around. And smile a little bit. This is the area for me. The most I try to make it look defined, and that makes my face more like dynamic and give my face more depth. This is the final contouring, but I have another step, blush. But you can see with just small amount of brush touches, my face look more defined and more look nicer. So I highly recommend use a contouring. If you never tried, you can definitely try it out to do contouring. Yeah. Some people like to do nose contouring, but I feel like my nose are high enough. I don't do nose contouring, to be honest. That's not my thing. I tried, but my nose look a lot bigger instead of look sharper, so I don't do that. Yeah, nose shading makes my makeup look a little bit more khaki or artificial. That doesn't make my makeup look natural, so I don't prefer to do nose contouring. But yeah, you can try it if you like it. So another process, definitely I love blush. So I'm gonna apply a blush. Yeah, I definitely need a new blush. There are so many options in blush, so I feel like I'm so bombarded with so many options whenever I try to buy a new one. So I'm looking around. But if you have a good blush for me, just let me know. Just comment down below. Or you can also send me. If you wanna make me try out your product and wanna listen to my review. I always go for using the same brush because contour and blush, those are mixed together naturally, so it looks more real and natural, and those things all you want. No? I don't think so. That's trend. So you can see it gives me a kind of healthy glow look on my cheeks. Also it has some, contouring color. It looks really natural. And I also apply a little bit of this blush on top of my nose. Give me some healthy look. So this is the final look. There you guys have it. This is all for today's video. I hope you guys really like it. These days I have so many exciting plans for contents, especially I start working with a fashion company, so I will make tons of fashion content with them, so I'm pretty excited about that. But I haven't got products from them yet, so I'm not able to film that right now, but I have tons of future fun fashion content plans, so if you guys are into fashion like me, stay tuned. I also upload different content on my Instagram, so you can definitely check that out. If you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle and fitness related video every week, so please subscribe if you haven't yet, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out my latest video. Anyway, thanks for watching this video again. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.